US crude has shown a good breakout, as I said, and as I shared, that it has consolidated for previous 2 days and then trading beyond 85.5 and 86. Certainly you can remain long on oil and you can expect 87.2, 88.2. Precisely it has achieved 88.2, and then it is the next resistance, very strong resistance, and now beyond 88.2 the next target is 89.2 itself. Let's see what lies ahead. At the same time, NG, which traded bearish throughout the day, achieved 5.8 but then recovered all the losses and now trading again at 6.18 levels. Now what can be expected today? Which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. So do like, share, subscribe and comment, and do not forget to press the bell icon, which will keep you updated with the latest analysis. The next update on crude oil and NG will be up before the Asia session tomorrow. Let's start. First, we look into US crude, followed with NG. Do watch till the end, do listen to it carefully, and do note down the levels there. Now, let's have a look at the hourly charts. On the hourly charts, it appears it has achieved the peak, failing to go past 88.2. Now, the next support level here is at 87.4. So, you can see multiple candles getting the resistance there. Below 87.4, you can sell there and expect 87.2, 87, very good support at 87 there. And now if it breaks below 87, my next target is directly tilt towards 86 and 85.5. The strongest support there at 85.5 adjust. So a buy position to be taken only above 88.2, that is very clear. Directional movement is bullish, trying to converge, stochastic looking downwards. MACD on the hourly charts is taking a crossover. This is the bearish cross, possibly it may trade bearish from here. RSI is trading overbought and it is also looking downwards here, hence a little drop can be expected. Look at the 2-hour charts, has seen a double top and getting the support there at 87.4. Yes, if you see it trading below 87.4, you can expect, but see, this is a retracement trade and it is overall bullish till the time it trades above 84. So yes, you can expect a little retracement. Now you can sell there at 87.5, expect 87 and then 86 as the major support. 85.5 is the target which it may try to achieve. See, now it is still trying to trade bullish here on the 2-hour charts. You can see rise, retracement, rise, retracement. So yes, it is trading in this bullish channel. The bottom of this channel are somewhere here at 85.5. The highs are far away at 89.2 and 90 levels. So buy at 88.2, expect it to rise more. The directional movement, divergent and bullish, stochastic is overbought here, looking downwards, and hence a little drop can be expected. MACD trying to converge, RSI trading overbought. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts through series of stronger red candles, time for it to retrace a little. 87.5, you can sell there. Possibly we can see a little drop from there and it can try to come back at least till towards 86. Very good support. 85.5, very good support there. So yes, be careful of 85.5 and 85 levels. Certainly these are going to be the support levels beyond which, in fact, even till the time it trades above 84, one cannot confirm that it is trying to trade bearish. So be careful. 86 levels are going to be a good support. 85.5, 85 are the strongest support for the day. Directional movement bullish, stochastic is overbought and hence possibly a little downward move can be seen. MACD trying to converge here, it is trading in green. RSI trading overbought and hence little drop can be expected. Look at the 4-hour charts. Now on the 4-hour charts, double top, first red candle. Once the second red candle arrives and if it drops below 87.4, certainly you can expect little more bearishness. Then 87 levels, 86.5 and 86 levels should be seen. Very strong support at 86, and then at 86 we will decide what to do. Yes, below that you can still expect it to rebound from 85 levels. Only bearish confirmation is if oil trades below 84. Till the time oil trades above 84, you have to remain vigilant, as it is just a retracement. It is still very much in the bullish territory. Directional movement divergent and bullish, stochastic is extremely overbought on the 4-hour charts. It requires a little cool down. MACD has seen a high, it may try to converge. RSI is also seen the peak out there. Look at the daily charts now. Now look at the daily chart. You can see these candles. Now you can find out this is definitely a very strong resistance zone, and 88.2, 89.2 zone. Now it has achieved these levels and certainly trying to get a pullback. Now on the downside, 86.5, 86, 85.5, 85 are stronger supports, but the reversal confirmation is only below 84. Yes, if it trades below 84, certainly more bearishness can be And hence, yes, if even if you are taking a short entry at 87.4, you have to strictly trade either with the stop loss at cost or keep booking your profits at either 87, 86.5, 86 levels, very strongest support for the day 86, and then even if it tries to drop 85.5, 85 levels should come to the rescue. Only bearish confirmation for the day, for the week, is if oil trades below 84. Till the time it trades above 84, you can remain bullish on US crude, and hence you can see little more rise. Yes, you can buy there at 88.2, expect 88.5, 89.2, and then $90 levels to be seen today itself. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, taking right entries and right exits at the right time, you can join my mentorship batch, and you can also be part of my signals group. For details on both, you can reach out to me via Telegram or email. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. And you can also look at the phenomenal performance which we had seen on indices and commodities in my signals channel. It is posted there in the communities tab, where you can have a look at what the performance was for last 4 weeks. Now NG on the hourly chart, see, it has achieved there the highs at around 6.26 levels, and see, then yesterday it tried to retrace till towards 5.8, perfectly achieving the rise there, perfectly achieving the bounce back. It has achieved now lower highs and trying to retrace a little. Hence, one thing is very clear, till the time it trades below 6.26, I will not recommend you to buy here, because it is trying to consolidate. Now, yes, you can sell there at 6.14, expect 6.1 as the major support, and then below that you can in fact expect 6.05, 6.0 as the major support, and there is a possibility for it to drop till towards 5.9, 5.8 levels. Now this is a consolidation zone here, and hence unless and until it breaches past the previous highs of 6.26, I will not recommend you to take any position on, or rather I will say any buy position on NG. At the same time, you can sell there at 6.14, but then expect that till 5.9, 5.85, 5.8, it is still bullish, and it can again reverse from these levels. Only below 5.8 it is going to show you little more bearishness, else NG may try to trade bullish. Directional movement on the hourly charts is bullish, stochastic looking downwards, MACD not indicative of anything, RSI trading flat with slightly bullish bias. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts too, this is showing you a phase of consolidation, lower highs and higher lows. Hence the support there at 5.9 is going to be a very important support. Be careful of 5.9, 5.85, 5.8 levels. Below that only certainly bearishness can be seen. Now, yes, only buy position today is above 6.26, only sell position is below 6.14. Directional movement divergent and bullish, stochastic overbought, MACD trading bearish, RSI trading flat. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts you'll find, see the 3 candles there, lower highs, higher lows, trying to consolidate a bit, trading below 6.14. Certainly you can remain bearish for 6.1, 6.06, and then 6 levels. Certainly 6 is going to be a very important support. Below that we may see 5.9, 5.85 levels to come out to the rescue. Below that again a good drop. Directional movement bullish, stochastic overbought, MACD is trying to converge here, it is trading flat and is still in the buy side, RSI trading near to the overbought levels. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, now look at the 4-hour charts, you will find, see, double bottom is seen and it is failing to sustain below these levels, and hence only bearish entry is below 6.14, where you can expect little more drop for 6.1, 6.06, 6 levels, and below that certainly more bearishness. Right now it is showing you consolidation. Be cautious for 6, 6.05, and then below that 5.9 levels. Directional movement not indicative of anything. Stochastic entering into overbought levels. The MACD trading with little divergence. RSI trading flat. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. This candle is trying to close at the highs. It is failing to. Also, it is created double top. The next candle may start with the lows out there. Yes, it can try to pull it down further. Possibly it may try to get it till towards 6 or 5.9 levels, and then again the next candle may take it further highs. Be careful. Any breakout beyond 6.26 you can buy there. Directional movement is bearish trading parallel. Stochastic entering into overbought levels. The MACD has crossed over. This is divergent and this is bullish. This is first green candle. We can see series of green candles there. RSI trading flat. Considering this, sell at 6.14. But remember, till 5.9 it has got very strong support levels at 6, and then First is at 6.1, 6.0506 zone, and then below that 6 levels are going to be very important support. Below that 5.95, 5.9 levels to come to support there, and till 5.8 there is a possibility for it to bounce back again. Till only bearishness confirmation is if it trades below 6.8 levels. So take your trades accordingly. Do not trade between 6.14, 6.26 level. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals group. If you have any trading or trading queries, reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day.